Have you noticed that most of my recipes are packed with fresh veggies and nutrient-dense ingredients? There's a good reason for that. After being diagnosed with 4 autoimmune conditions, I've learned firsthand how to fuel my body with foods that truly support healing and reduce inflammation without sacrificing flavor. Well, unless we're talking about desserts, we all deserve a treat now and then. So what are anti-inflammatory foods exactly? These are foods that have been thoroughly studied and shown to reduce inflammation in the body, which is a root cause of many chronic diseases. Nutritionists and doctors consistently recommend these foods not just for their anti-inflammatory powers, but also for their wide-ranging health benefits, from improving heart health to supporting brain function. In today's video, I'm sharing 8 anti-inflammatory foods I eat every week, along with delicious ways to include them in your meals. Berries. From blueberries and strawberries to raspberries and blackberries, berries are antioxidant powerhouses, especially rich in anthocyanins, the compounds that give them their deep red, blue, and purple hues. While most fruits offer antioxidant benefits, berries go above and beyond. They're excellent at fighting inflammation, protecting against cancer, and supporting heart health. What's even more impressive, berries actually help train your cells to respond more effectively to future inflammation. Right, so try these berry-packed favorites: blueberry smoothie, berry spinach salad, raspberry vinaigrette, strawberry banana smoothie, and of course, an acai bowl. Now, let's talk about leafy greens. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard, dandelion greens. These aren't just, rabbit food. They're actually cellular superfoods. Leafy greens are alkaline, antioxidant-rich, and packed with nutrients like folate, fiber, and vitamins A, C, E, and K. They help support cognitive health, balance your microbiome, and reduce systemic inflammation. There's a reason animals all across the food chain go after greens. They're just that nourishing. Here are my go-to green recipes: wild rice and arugula salad, shrimp, asparagus and avocado salad, garlic sautéed Swiss chard, a post-workout green smoothie, and crispy kale chips. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, mackerel, and trout are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, essential fats that your body can't produce on its own. They're especially important if you have an autoimmune condition. Omega-3s reduce inflammation, support brain function, and are linked to lower risks of depression and anxiety. These fatty acids have been studied extensively and are known to benefit conditions like lupus, arthritis, type 1 diabetes, and MS. Salmon is a staple in my kitchen. Try Dijon baked salmon, orange glazed salmon, salmon patties, smoked salmon frittata, or salmon avocado salad. Avocados, creamy, satisfying, and packed with monounsaturated fats, are more than just trendy toast toppers. These healthy fats help reduce joint inflammation, regulate cholesterol, and support brain function. They're also high in potassium, even more than bananas, and contain compounds that may reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. That's a personal area of research for me, as my dad has Parkinson's. Some of my favorites, well, they include tuna stuffed avocados, avocado egg salad, avocado dressing, zucchini pasta with avocado sauce, and baked eggs in avocado. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, bok choy, and Brussels sprouts are just brilliant. These veggies are loaded with antioxidants, fiber, and vitamins K and C. But the real standout is sulforaphane, a compound shown to detoxify harmful chemicals and protect against cancer. These veggies don't just support your immune system, they actively fight inflammation at the cellular level. There are some delicious ways to enjoy them, such as broccoli salad, steamed broccoli, chicken broccoli casserole, garlic ginger bok choy, and cauliflower rice tabbouleh. Garlic, this humble kitchen staple, has actually been used medicinally for centuries. It's rich in anti-inflammatory compounds like quercetin and sulfur-based molecules, which boost immunity and may even help reduce arthritis pain and cartilage damage. And well, it also adds amazing depth to any dish. Here are some garlic-infused meals I really love. Lemon garlic shrimp zucchini pasta, garlic mashed cauliflower, garlic sautéed Swiss chard, garlic aioli with sweet potato fries, and poached chicken with winter veggie soup. Honestly, each one is delicious in its own right. Next up is ginger. Like garlic, ginger has some powerful medicinal properties. It eases nausea, reduces pain, and supports digestion by speeding up intestinal motility, which is a huge plus if you ever deal with constipation or sluggish digestion. Ginger contains gingerols, which lower inflammation and help block those pain-causing compounds. It also helps support your gut, and since nearly 80% of your immune system lives there, well, that's a pretty big deal. So, here are a few of my ginger-forward recipes that you might want to give a try. Citrus ginger scallops, carrot ginger soup, golden milk, cucumber melon gazpacho with ginger shrimp, and ginger-spiced cauliflower rice. Chia seeds, right? These tiny seeds are ancient energy boosters, actually. The word chia means strength in Mayan. They're packed with fiber, antioxidants, and omega-3s, all of which help reduce inflammation, support your gut, and keep your blood sugar nice and stable. Some of my favorite ways to use chia seeds, well, they include chia seed pudding, chia seed jam, ultimate seed crackers, PB&J chia pudding, and coconut mango chia popsicles. Now, these aren't the only anti-inflammatory foods out there, just the ones I rely on regularly. As you've probably noticed, I love mixing and matching them to create new, nourishing recipes. The beauty is that they work synergistically, enhancing each other's health benefits when you combine them in meals. Can changing the way you eat really change your health? Absolutely. It's never too late to adopt simple, sustainable habits that help your body heal, energize, and thrive. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments. What are your favorite anti-inflammatory foods?